Look at this file explorer, this start menu, and the notification bar. Everything changed. This is amazing. So follow these steps. First of all, hide the search icon, or you can leave as it is. Right click on the taskbar and select hide. Now look, it's gone. Download Windhawk. All the files and links for this project is given in the description. After downloading, follow the steps and install it. Click Finish to open it. Go to Explorer and install Windows 11 Start Menu Styler. Now go to Advanced and copy and paste the code I have provided. Let's make your Start menu awesome. Copy this Start menu code and paste in Mode Settings. Press Ctrl A, then Ctrl C to copy this code. Now click in the box and press Ctrl A to select all and Ctrl V to paste. Click Save and it's done. Whoa, it looks nice. Now install taskbar height and icon size. Go to Details. Install it. Go to Settings. Taskbar height, change it to 65. Icon size, change it to 35. Taskbar bottom width, change it to 50. And click Save. Now you can see taskbar height, icon size and taskbar bottom width changed. Now install Windows 11 Taskbar Styler. Install it. After installing, go to Advanced. Here in Mode Settings, copy and paste the code I have provided. Copy this code. And paste it here. Ctrl A and then Ctrl V. Click Save. Now your taskbar looks shiny. After Advanced, go to Settings. Scroll down and change maximum width 1200 and minimum width 1200. And scroll down. In grid system, change it to 650. Then click Save. Now you can see taskbar maximum and minimum width changed. Now install Windows 11 Notification Center Styler. Click Install. And then go to Settings. Now let's change your notification bar. In Theme option, click Translucent Shell and click Save. Now your notification bar looks amazing. Right click on your mouse and go to Personalize. Select Color. From light to dark. Now your Windows is dark mode. Now click Windows 11 File Explorer. Install it. After installing, go to Settings. Go to Settings. Click translucent Windows 11 and save. Search translucent and install translucent Windows. Now copy and paste the code I have provided in mode settings. Copy this file and Ctrl A, press Ctrl V and click Save. Now you see your Windows Explorer looks awesome, glossy. Click Windows, go to Microsoft Store and search Desktop Widgets. Now install this app. After installing, open it. Change the theme and follow my steps. Double-click the widgets and it will come up. In appearance setting, make opacity level 0. Hide these icons. You can also bring it back. Now icons are gone. Now click Windows icon menu and go to Microsoft Store. In the top, search Lively Wallpapers. Install this app. Click Get. After installing, open this app. Now select the live wallpaper you like. In my case, I choose this one. Look at this file explorer, this start menu, and the notification bar. Everything changed. This is amazing. Do you want this one? Please don't forget to like and subscribe.